Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, and I trade Ninja Forex traders. Every week, I go live inside a private members group, and I bring a very specific strategy. It's called the Ninja B70. And what that does, that's a strategy that I typically trade on gold and indices. In specific days of the week, I can also trade it on Forex also. So welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to come and have a look inside what we have in the Ninjas. Now, whether you're here watching this the first time, or if it's the second time you're watching it, because I do recommend everybody watch the videos 2 or even 3 times to get the most value. So I remember back when I started to learn to trade in the Ninjas, my mentors, they said that exact same to me. And sometimes it wasn't, to be honest, the second time, the minute details of the third watching that made a big difference to me. And I thank them every day when I trade. So just an introduction to myself. My name is Jeffrey Goodwin, Ninja Forex Trading, and I look forward to seeing you real soon on the videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.